Hello, good morning. It's Monday morning and I've got the survey question from Friday with the answer and your comments. So here we go with Friday's survey question. 44% of people say they will miss this the most when this pandemic is over, and the answer was social distancing. Now, today, Monday, I've got a survey question, but I'm going to go with the nearest answer to this. There is an answer, but the people that actually play the game, let's go with the nearest. Okay, I don't know how many people actually get it correct. Okay, so we'll go with the nearest number, and the question is, how many airports are there in the world? Okay, how many airports are there in the world? Now I'm going to go with the comments that you made. And I got with Bomber Girl Amy, and she went straight in with social distancing. Well done to Amy. Leah X, she also went with social distancing, so well done to Leah X. Girls Drink Feck, she went with low traffic and empty roads. Sharon Carlisle, she said spending more time with the family, more space in the shops, and she went correctly in the end with social distancing. And Top Dog X, she also went with social distancing, so well done to Top Dog X and Sharon Carlisle. And Robin Gavin Mack, he went with miss the absence of crowds of people, and then he said social distancing, so well done to Robin for his answer, which is correct. So anyway, the video that's just been posted, the one that you just watched, is of the family in a canoe, and I videoed them negotiating family of swans. It was a very narrow little piece of the river and they had to get past, so I was videoing that. So this was from last week, so I hope they enjoy that. All that remains for us now to say is, what are you going to say, Annie? Bye bye. Bye bye. Good girl. She's such a good girl. Well done. Well done. Good girl. Okay. Well, that's it for now. Hope you have a good Monday and have a go at that question. And let's see who gets the nearest to that question. I've looked on the internet and it doesn't give me the right answer. So I'm going by the answer that was given by the people that I get it from, so they must be correct. Okay, well that's all for now. All the very best, and bye bye for now. Bye bye.